Hey, if you want to fix mobile network problems on the Poco C85, let me show you a few tips. And I'm always recommending to start from rebooting the phone. So you have to click and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously, just like this. And now just go to the reboot. It takes few seconds and you can check if it is working. But if it is not working, you can go simply into the system settings and try to switch off and switch on the mobile data. If it is still not working, go to the more connectivity options. Before doing this, go to this about phone and check if you don't have the new software update of your HyperOS or the Android version. Now, if you already did it, go to the more connectivity options and you can try to reset the mobile network settings. You have to select which card you want to reset if you are using 2 SIM cards and click on the reset. By the way, it's gonna also reset your Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. And if nothing is working, you can basically try to switch SIM cards if you have a chance for this. Put this SIM card into other device and check if the SIM card is working. So now we can actually just recognize the issue. So if the issue is with your SIM card or with your device. And yeah, that's all my tips that I can give you. Let me know if it was helpful. Hope you find it useful.